Okay, we'll do a little test before I start wiring this bike up here. What I've got here on the board is just the components that will wire to it, and they're all active. So we got our 20 amp hour 36 volt battery, LiPo 4, and then the controller that comes with it is a 22 amp 36 or 48 volt. We're hooking it up at 36 volts, and all the connectors there. Then over here, temporarily, I've got the display, and that's the S830, and the little power program switch here, and the thumb throttle here, and the two brakes that have switches in them. So we'll be testing those two. So here we go. We'll boot it up here. That looks good. Now I don't have the pedal assist on there yet because I got to modify that a little bit, the pedal assist magnet wheel there. So we'll give it a little throttle and see what we can do. There goes the wheel. Take it up a little bit. She's spinning good. That's going 64 kilometers an hour. Now we'll try out the brake. If I do this with the brake, that should kill the motor. It does, so that's working good. So basically, I think it's all working, and I'll work on the pedal assist to get that all working properly.
Woohoo! Electrified! Electric! Now come back to... Boy, this thing is fast!